Chai latte for the bitch who didn't brush her hair this morning, but decided to put it in an unsightly bun that we all couldn't help but notice.
I work for a bank. What do you do?
I'm an accountant. I love President Trump and what he's done with the new tax code.
Check, please.
Thou speakest aright.
I think what she means is one of those desert lizards you see crawling around right now. I'm getting more of an iguana vibe.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Can you talk like a Hispanic?
Like a Hispanic?
Yes, you look like a Hispanic.
Right? Talk like a Hispanic.
Stacy herself. Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all I want and I've waited for so long. Stacy, can't you see you're just not the girl for me? I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Stacy's mom.
I love you, Robert. Please, don't do anything stupid.
You're afraid of yourself, aren't you? That you might kill again. That somehow you have this power within you, and you're just trying so hard to control it. Face it, Mary. You're not normal.
I love you, Chloe.
I love you, Amelia. I'm always here for you.
You haven't done anything that needs forgiveness.